Hi guys, we're doing a video with my cat today. He's a little Tommy. He's sleeping right now. I'll put the camera to him right now. Well, he's not really sleeping. You probably can't see him right now. Here he is. Cute little Tombo. Hopefully you could see him. Hi, good. Right next to me. Oh, little Tom, you. He's so cute and small. So this video isn't really about much. It's just a random video that I did. I'm giving a shout out to Colours of the North 2000, Atom Destroyer Games and Vlogs, and Jack Games Vlogs. So check them out in the description below. I'm not doing a thumbs down. Below. That's up high. So watch those three. They are amazing YouTubers. A bit like me. And Tom. Do you like my YouTube account? You do? Yeah, he does. He's been sneezing a lot. I know it's bad. But he might just be allergic to something in the house and we took whatever it is out. And giving him a little cooch under the chin. He likes that. It's really rainy today. So I can end this video here. Bye.